West Coast Johnny. Here's our project in Nebraska, Omaha, Nebraska. And she's a 78, just like yours. And in searching YouTube for tips on how to fix her up, we came across your channel. And it really is serendipity that they're both 1978s, yours and ours. We've learned a lot from you, and you've helped us make a lot of repairs so far. We've started fiberglassing, we're working on the cabinets. We've got a lot of projects going on at once. Our main goal right now is to work on the door. So here is our door, right here. Notice I've got the window out. We've started prepping the outside to get some fresh fiberglass on it. My husband started that already a little bit, and what I have right now that you could really help us with, Johnny, is this window. This is the window to the door. I've taken it out. I took pictures of it while I was taking it apart so I could remember how it went together. And I'm lucky in that I have an identical window above the kitchen cabinet, but it's not helping me right now. So I've got the pieces. I tried to take the oxidation off as best I could, and I ended up accidentally polishing the window more than I would have liked, but it is what it is. We're moving forward. So what I have, Johnny, if you could help with this, is, I know you can, is I've got these pieces that I can't figure out where they go. We've got the frame of the window that holds the glass, and we've got the frame that holds the screen, and I have them together right now. And then also we've got these two pieces that go in, I believe, with the window side of it, the window frame, that help hold the glass in. We've got the screen. I've got my replacement screen. There's the original and the replacement. But then I've got these four pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. And these, I can't figure out where they go. What's really frustrating is the two long pieces have screw holes in the middle of them that are not in the center, and I can't find any holes that match the holes on these bars. So I'm sure this is a horizontal and these are vertical, but I'm really hoping you can help us figure out where in the heck do these go in our window. I can't see them on the other one, the identical window in the kitchen. So here's our first video. You've inspired us so much and made us feel really positive and given us a can-do attitude, even when it sometimes feels a little overwhelming. But I can't wait to hear back from you, and thanks.